Hey, welcome to Unit 6 of our Java 2 course. Looking back over what we've learned here, you can see that we are now in Unit 6, which is in the middle of the Android section of the class. We'll call this section Android Intermediate because it builds on the previous unit. So here are some of the things that we're going to see in this unit called number 6. First of all, we'll talk about animations, how to move some images around the screen. Now these are pretty simple animations, but they will show you things that you probably want to use in some of your common apps that you would develop as an app developer. Then we'll delve into something called the app lifecycle. And so there's lots of functions, I think there's 7 of them, that are triggered at different points when an application is first created, or when you put it to the background, or when you rotate the phone, or when you kill the application. And so at each one of those points along the life cycle of the application, you can control what happens. Number 3 here is called list adapters. List adapters are somewhat complex and extremely important in any application. So how do you take an array list of objects such as people and then display them to a screen in a long list? And once the list is on the screen, can you click a name and have something happen? And so a very simple idea, a list of objects, becomes somewhat involved. And so the list adapters requires more than one tutorial to show you the full extent of how it works. Then finally we'll end here at Unit 6 with File I/O. And so I'll take an example and show you a demonstration of how to use the Jackson library, how to import it into your phone environment and read and write text files, just as we did in Unit 4 of this class, but now in the context of an Android phone. And so that's what Unit 6 is just ahead of us.